Just imagine, what if your YouTube channel could create videos, edit them, design thumbnails, and even upload content, all without your active involvement, and all powered by AI? Yes, in 2025, this is 100% possible. And in today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can automate your entire YouTube channel using AI, from content creation to video publishing. Step 1. Niche selection and idea generation. The first step is choosing your niche. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you find trending and profitable niches. Just ask something like, give me 10 low-competition YouTube niches with high CPM, and AI will give you research-based suggestions. For generating video ideas, use tools like ChatGPT, VidIQ, and Answer the Public. Just enter a keyword and you'll get 50+ content ideas within seconds. Step 2. Script writing. Now, writing scripts using AI is easier than ever. You can simply give a prompt to ChatGPT, like, write a 500-word engaging YouTube script on your topic in a conversational tone, and it will give you a ready-to-use, engaging script, which you can slightly personalize to match your own voice. Step 3. Voiceover and AI avatar. If you don't want to record your own voice, AI voice tools like ElevenLabs, AI, or Lovo.ai can generate realistic, human-like voiceovers with multiple accents and tones. And if you don't want to show your face either, platforms like Synthesia.io or HeyGen offer AI avatars that will speak your script, just like a real human presenter. Step 4. Video editing with AI. AI video editors like Pictory, Runway ML, and InVideo can automatically turn your script into a full video. Just input the script, and the AI will add stock footage, transitions, and effects, giving you a polished final video without editing skills. Step 5. Thumbnail and title creation. For thumbnails, you can use Canva with AI features or Thumbnail.ai. To write catchy titles and optimize descriptions, TubeBuddy and ChatGPT are excellent tools. Step 6. Auto-upload and scheduling. The final step is automation. With tools like Hootsuite, Pictory, or Zapier, you can schedule and automatically upload videos to YouTube without having to log in manually each time. So now you have a fully AI-powered YouTube automation system ready to go. If you want to build your digital empire without showing your face or spending hours every day, then AI automation can be a total game changer for you. Subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comments, which step do you need the most help with? I reply to every comment.